All right, I am here to give you guys a small lesson on figurative language used in song lyrics, but then also how you would use that in a memoir, which you're going to practice in the second half. So these next 5 slides, 2, 3, 4, and 5, are practicing with song lyrics. You should have watched this video real quick, a review on what the figurative language terms are, but I'm going to give you an example using this one. So first, these are song lyrics from Sunflower by Post Malone, and we'll just read them real quick. It says, you'll be left in the dust unless I stick by ya. You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'll be left in the dust unless I stick by ya. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. Okay, so first we're going to underline the metaphor. And remember, metaphor is when you're comparing two things without using like or as. So a comparison of two things. I see that you're the sunflower, you are the sunflower would be a metaphor because it's comparing the person to a sunflower. And right away, when I hear that, that sounds really positive. It sounds like really nice. So I'm going to write that that's positive sounding. Okay, so I know that you're the sunflower sounds positive. That means it's going to give a positive tone. That makes you feel really good, right? You'll be left in the dust sounds negative, but unless I stick by you, you're the sunflower. Okay, so it's comparing her to, and it sounds, sunflowers are very beautiful. They're very delicate. They bring, joy. So I know that he's trying to bring out some kind of positivity. So the first question says, use the text box below to complete the author's purpose statement. So it says the author's purpose for including this metaphor is to, and I think he's trying to add some kind of tone and try to explain and compare her and emphasize how delicate and beautiful she is. So I'm going to say the author's purpose for including this metaphor is to emphasize how beautiful, delicate the person is. And notice that I am actually typing in the box and I'm actually editing this box. That's how I know that you're doing your work. I know some of you guys are not actually editing the boxes. You're getting zeros for that. So, but anyways, so the author's purpose for including this metaphor is to emphasize how beautiful and delicate the person is. And it creates a feeling. Remember that feeling was very positive. It gives me a feeling of joy, of warmth, of security, even because he says, I'll stick by you. So I'm going to say joy and warmth. I felt very warm with that metaphor. You're going to do these following slides the same. Okay, so it's the same kind of thing. So you'll do these. And then on this one, you're now going to apply it to a memoir. So you'll click here to get the story. It'll pull up the story for you. And then there are 1, 2, 3 questions to try. This one actually, try it on your own, and then you can check your answers if you scroll down on the bottom here. You can check your answers. The rest, it has some guiding questions for you. And then this one, I gave you one guided question down here as well. And then on the exit ticket, you're going to do that alone. Okay, once you're done editing those, then you are done with these slides and you can turn them in. Goodbye. How do I stop this?